Right, back on the road again. Nice 10-15 minute break. There's a sign there, I wonder what that says. Cattle grid, yeah, that sure was. Went across the cattle grid. Oh. I don't look forward, I've got to keep looking right. And a downhill. Break up a bit on this one. Slow me down a bit. I'm mumbling, I know. I was talking about my brakes. I'm thinking out loud. Because at the moment I'm just using the right hand front wheel as a brake. Oh, there's a signpost there. That was probably the walkway. Oh, I'm glad I didn't take that. I might, yeah. That might be rare. Back to work again now. Right, I'll have to stop here I think and find out where I am on the map. Yep, as previously thought, straight on. Might have to turn the camera off a little bit later on, because this looks like it might be quite a steep one. How am I doing for time? It's about 5 to 12. I've got to be back at the car park about 2:30. So really 12:30 at the latest. I've got to turn around and go back. Should be easier going back because I kind of know the way, and but you never know. Yeah, this is definitely Dartmoor, isn't it now? These are the moors. Public footpath. You knew how to get to that. Another cattle grid. Dum 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 dum. Ooh, I'll come back up here. I have to use both brakes going down. It's a rough and ready road. Part of the experience, I suppose. It's going to be hard work coming back up here. This is going to be a killer coming back. Not off. Stop there, I'll have a break. Bumpy old road. Brake off. Got to get a shot of that. Yes, that shows the incline on the hill. Jeepers creepers! I've got to come back up here. Do you know, I'm tempted to stop here and go back. Oh, dear. I'm going to regret this. I know I am. Another bench there. Do you know, one brake won't hold this. Wow. They're there for a reason, aren't they? Because it's a bloody steep hill, that's why. Oh well, I'm going to regret that, I think, going back. What's this? No loading. Restricted zone. Except in marked bays. I'm going to look at this really carefully here. Right, we're off again. just outside Chagford. So I'm going to carry on. Matterden Hill House. Nice steep. This is going to be terrible coming back. Absolutely terrible. Hello. I've got to go back. I've got to go back. So this is Chagford. This is Chagford, and you can park. So let's see if I can. So this is Chagford, and you can park. Check the prices, should be the same, about £2.60 for 5 hours. Long stay car park, yeah, brilliant.